Assalamualaikum and greetings to all my panel. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Syariman. My ID number 8A16311. I supervise under Madam Shariza binti Ma'aris. Today I want to talk about my final year project. So my topic is an experimental study of structural behavior due to circular opening at 1/4 span in RC beam. So the introduction, the opening in a beam used as a provider for ducting, piping and other services such as telecommunication, internet. Opening in a beam also provide passage for adequate depth for providing effective shear reinforcement and sufficient concrete area for developing ultimate compression block in flat shear. Next, the problem statement. There is no specific location for the opening in a beam in construction design. The effective of the beam in strength in reinforced concrete beam. The objective of the study is to determine the differences between experiment and theoretical studies for the opening in a beam section. This also I want to know the effect of the opening section in a reinforced concrete beam. So the scope of study, there are 4 specimens to be tested using Magnus frame machine. So one is the control beam, the 3 others are the samples with the opening. So the location of the opening is 1/4 span in RC beam, which is 450 mm from the support. So this also to analyze structural behavior of the circular opening in a reinforced concrete beam. The significance of study experimental testing is to know the maximum load, deflection, strain, and the calculation for shear force and bending moment. The crack pattern, to know the shear force zone or the flat shear zone. For the literature review, so the topic from Dr. Lata and Navin Kumar, the topic behavior of reinforced concrete beam with opening. So their findings, circular opening with diameter equal to 34%, which is around 60 mm of the depth of the beam has no effect of the behavior of the beam. The diameter equal to 48%, around 120 mm to 60%, 150 mm, the capacity of ultimate load will reduce. Next, from Tiago Miguel Camera Neto on the analysis and design composite beam with web opening. So the findings are increased opening depth can reduce shear and moment resistance. Optimal location is 1/4 span and the worst location at the mid span. Bigger span make less load capacity due to web opening regards the position. Next, effect of opening size and location on the shear strength behavior of RC depth beam without web reinforcement. This is from Hawas Karim, Al-Gawal and Omar Aziz. The finding opening at the shear zone causes decrease in the ultimate shear by 53.6%. The opening is located at the support. The reduction in shear stress is 23.93%. The minimum mid-span location showed that minimum effect due, where is the average reduction in shear stress is 8%. Next, on a review of design specification of opening in a web for simply supported RC beam. This is from Suraj Amiri, Reza Mosudnia and Muhammad Amin Amiri. Their findings, opening should not be deeper than 1/2 of the beam depth and should be located not closer than 1/2 of the beam depth from the support. Next, on the investigation of opening effect on the behavior of concrete beam without additional reinforcement in opening region using FEM method. So it's from Suraj Amiri and Reza Musudnia. So the finding mode of failure is flexure at midspan in a beam. Reinforced concrete with circular opening with diameter less than 48% of the depth has no effect on the ultimate load capacity of the RC rectangular beam. That's meaning that this beam behaves similar to beam without opening. Circular opening at the diameter equal to 52% of the depth. The capacity of the ultimate load reduced to 26%. Effect on the small circular opening on the shear and flexural behavior and ultimate shear strength of reinforced concrete beam using normal and high strength concrete. This is from Javad Vageshi Amir and Morteza. The findings: increase of the diameter of the opening will cause the change in the crack pattern. The critical position of the openings to reach the ultimate shear strength in beam is near to the support. Next, on the methodology. So my steps is to prepare the specimens, testing at 28 days, results, and then I do the report. So the specimen concrete grade is 25 Newton per millimeter square. The size of the beam is 150 times 300 times 2000 mm. The type of opening is circle. The size of opening is 100. The location of the opening is 450 mm from the support. So the result, the highest maximum strength was 31.068 megapascal at maximum load of 699.797 kilonewton. Here is the results. The average maximum strength is 29.198 megapascal. So here samples for the cube test. Here is for flexural test. So the comparison between the control beam, sample 1, sample 2, sample 3. You can see that the control beam can withstand a load of 120, around a load of 120 kilonewton. For the sample with the opening, they can only withstand around 100 kilonewton of load. Here is the average. So the average of losses of strength on the 3 samples is around 21.576%. Here is stress and strain curve. We can see that the control beam get a stress around 25 to 30 megapascal. On the crack pattern, the biggest crack have been obtained from control beam is around 10 mm. The sample 1 has the biggest crack at 25 mm near to the opening. Sample 2 has a crack at 13 mm. The biggest crack for sample 3 is around 9 mm. So all shear crack on sample known as a true shear failure. Here are the samples. So the one on top is the control beam, and the other one, the 3 others are the samples. So on discussion, from the theoretical studies, the maximum load can be sustained from control beam is around 36.816 kilonewton, and the maximum load of the experiment result in a beam is 125.910 kN. It was found that providing circular opening will reduce the strength of the beam by 21.567% for an average. Hence, the experimental result from this study can be accepted. On the conclusion, all the sample of the beam with opening gives different strength compared to the control beam. The crack pattern was fracture at midspan of the beam and resulted from behavior of the beam. The ultimate load of the beam reduces and increase in deflection. Reduction of portion of concrete area in the beam reduces the strength of the beam, thus causing the beam to failure. With that, thank you.